In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable video tracks in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to temporarily hide an entire video track without deleting anything from your edit, DaVinci Resolve makes that very simple. This is especially useful when you're comparing different layers, checking what's underneath a clip, or cleaning up your view while you work. Disabling a track does not remove your footage, it simply turns that track off from view so you can focus on the rest of your timeline. To begin, go to your timeline in DaVinci Resolve. This is the area where all of your clips are arranged in tracks, and it's where you'll control which layers are visible during editing. Take a moment to locate the specific video track you want to disable. If you have several tracks stacked on top of each other, make sure you identify the correct one before clicking anything. Once you've found the track, look to the left side of that video track header. You'll see a small set of icons there that control different track functions. Among those icons, find the one that looks like a strip of photographic film. This is the control used to toggle the visibility of that video track. Now click the film icon once. As soon as you do, that video track will be disabled. In other words, everything on that track will stop showing in the viewer and in playback, but the clips will still remain in your timeline exactly where they were. This is helpful because it lets you make quick visual changes without affecting your actual edit. If you don't see the result right away, just check that you clicked the icon on the correct track. Also remember that this only affects the video visibility of that specific track, not the content itself. So your media is still safe, still in place, and ready to be turned back on whenever you need it. And that's it. That's how you disable a video track in DaVinci Resolve. It's a very small feature, but it can save time and make it much easier to manage complex timelines. If you're working with layered edits, graphics, adjustment clips, or alternate versions, knowing how to quickly turn a track off can really improve your workflow. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to disable video tracks in DaVinci Resolve.